So right now we are doing the 1228 route, which is taking you to the dual carriageway at the Greenford Test Center at Horsenden Hill. Try one when you're ready. We take the next road on the left and left again.
Horsenden Lane North, then turn left.
And then the sat nav will start giving you the directions anyway. And left again here. Here.
Turn left, Elton Avenue.
And if you can pull up on the left side anywhere safe, please. Pull up on the left side anywhere safe. That's fine. Thank you very much. Always put the handbrake as well. Okay. Drive on when you're ready.
At the end of the road, turn right, Bartley Avenue.
Okay, so I'm gonna break it here. Okay, just have a look how close we are. Yeah, look at the space we have on the right hand side. Well, in my opinion, if you think that we need to drive on our side of the road, then it's wrong thinking. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's wrong thinking, because in this road you can clearly see there is a parked vehicle on the both side. However, there's only one car can fit into between these two parks. Look at the car is coming. Yeah, is only one car can fit in between. Let's move off from here and we'll pull up on the left side here, just here. Okay, and then that's it. So yeah, so there's only one car can fit in between these two parked vehicles. That means we must not drive on the left side of the edge like this much. Okay, we need to be in the center of the road. If you see that if there is a vehicle come in front of you, then it will be the meeting situation. So either he will be go on his left, or you will be going on your left, or you probably waiting in the middle of the road, or he will be waiting in the middle of the road, and the other car will be passing by the sides.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't have to go that close on the left hand side.
Yeah.
Cool, let's go. So ideally in the exam you fail the test here. Okay, and then, well, probably because it's just near to the test center, then examiner will stop the car here and then he will walk off and go back to the test center.
Okay.
Because he thinks that because that's a dangerous fault.
Okay.
Any dangerous fault within 4 or 5 minutes of the test, then they think that it's the driver is too risky.
Okay.
So they will not take the test ahead, basically. So they can stop the car, take the engine off, and then they will walk out. Okay, drive on when you're ready. So end of the road, we're turning right, just in case if you
At the
missed.
end of the road,
Right.
turn right, Bartley Avenue.
So this is a good position, you see? This is where you need to drive. That's it. And then check. So we pull up on the left just after this silver car. Anywhere here, don't worry about the driveway blocking for this occasion. That should be fine. And we want to do the reverse parallel parking to this red car. Try to be reasonably close to the curb, but please do not touch, mount or hit the curb.
Okay.
When you're ready. So don't drive when you finish your parking straight away like this. You want to reverse a little bit. Come on, reverse a little bit. And then you need to drive like this. It will be safe. Yeah, that's why.
After 100 yards, turn left, A40 127, Greenford Road. Turn left.
This is wrong. Who has a right of way to go left first? You or that car?
Then
Why? Are we turning left or they are turning left? We turning left. The person who's turning left at the junction, they have right of way, isn't it? They are turning right, so they have wait for us because we are coming from left road and we turning left, and they are coming from the right road and they turning our left. So they have to wait. Okay. If they are very first, like if they are very fast and then they have already started the turn, then okay, you can just wait for them. But you was easing off. You were slowing down for him to go first. That's why it's not right. Okay. So here the navigator have told you that after 300 yard you are turning right somewhere.
yeah.
So keeping on the right lane, which is an ideal way to go for the next junction, basically. And then
After
stick to the right
200
again.
yards,
Look, there
turn
is no
right,
road marking
Rockwire
here,
Avenue,
but you have to
then
imagine
turn
yourself on the
left.
right hand side. So keep it on the right side and imagine there is a left lane there as well. Then slowly you will
Turn
emerge
right,
the lane.
then turn left.
So right now, if you are turning right, are you not waiting for those oncoming vehicle?
If I'm turning right?
Yeah. Are you gonna wait for those oncoming vehicle or not?
No.
Why? Come on, let's go. Look, we're turning right here, isn't it?
Oh, no, I'm waiting.
Yeah, we're
the
turning
box.
right.
Yeah,
Are we waiting? Yeah.
yeah, box junction.
So that exactly what happened on the last junction. He was turning right, so he has to wait for you. They're not going to wait for you. Okay. If they are turning, they will start turning. Okay.
So we're turning right.
Yeah, we're turning right when you get a chance now.
After 100 yards, turn left, Oldfield Lane North, then turn right. Turn left, then turn right. After 200 yards, turn right.
Okay, so it's
Birkbeck
200
Avenue.
yard. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. 200 yard. Okay, so if you have turned that road right, it's not issue exactly because you have done exactly everything for that right turn. Okay, but this is the right turn you're looking for. In the
Turn right.
in the sat nav, when the directions. Okay, well, let's turn this one after that. I will talk. Oh, this is wrong again. Why are you not turning right? Yes, go.
I was waiting for that person to go.
Okay, so was she looking at you?
Yeah.
That means she knows that she's not supposed to go. But when you if she's not looking at you at all, that means she's not gonna wait for you. Then we have to wait. If she's looking at you, then she know that we have right of way to go first because she's not at zebra crossing.
Okay.
Imagine yourself as a pedestrian. That when you're a pedestrian, you always think that if there is a zebra crossing, people will wait for you. But if you are crossing in normal road like this, you know that it's not a zebra crossing, so you will be aware of the oncoming vehicles. Okay, so if you're looking at those vehicles may not stop for you, so you will wait. Again, it's in that situation you're not failing the test just because there was no one in the back, there was no one ahead. So basically your stop was justified, that is not affecting anyone, and you letting that woman go, it's okay. But we
After
don't want to do
200
that.
yards,
We don't want to
turn
practice
left,
of that again.
long drive.
If she's not looking at you, if she's keep walking and walking without looking at you, that means she will go. That means we have to wait. But we don't wait unnecessarily. We're saying something earlier. Oh yeah, the junction.
Turn left.
Can we pull up on the left anywhere? Don't worry about the blocking of the driveway. Just anywhere. By the tree probably. Mind the curve, mind the curve. That's it. I don't know, you was about to, so I have to. So before that junction, the navigator said that in 200 yard we turning right. So you decided to turn right turn, not the one which we wanted to go, the one which was beforehand. So the confusion to identifying this junction is because she's saying that thing too earlier, that's why. So SatNav will always give you direction two times, at least two times. One before the junction, like 150, 200, 230, basically more than 100 yards, they will tell you that which is the road you are turning right and when it is coming. So she said that to you is in 200 yards, turn right. So 200 yard means how many car length? 20. So 10 car length is 10 yard is equal to 1 car length. So 200 yard means 20 car length. 150 yard means
25.
no, 150, 150.
15.
15. 70 car length means 70 yard means
10.
70, 70. 7. So any numbers
10 car length, 10 yards
is equal to 1. Yeah.
Okay.
So any numbers you see here, yeah, when it is in the yard, you take that last zero off. So if she's saying 350 yard means 35 car.
Okay.
400 yard means 40 car. 100 yard means 10 car. 70 yard means 7 car. When the distance is within 100 yards somewhere, that means the turn is just now near to the site. Okay, so when it says when the distance is below 100, then from 50 to 100 in between anywhere, she will start saying that again, turn right. At that time she will not tell you the yard or any distance basically measurement. Before that she told you that 200 yard, after 200 yard you're going somewhere here or there. So that means they're warning you in 20 car length ahead, 30 car length ahead, 40 car length ahead, that where are you going. But when you are exactly there, when about 10 car length or so, then she will just tell you turn right or turn left. So always pay attention on the top of the on the top of the navigator bar here, that what is the yard is written on the top. Okay, so if we right now it says 2.5 miles, something like that. We're moving towards somewhere on the left. Yeah, that's what it is telling you. So up to then you are just following the road on this one, basically wherever the road is going. If it's going somewhere on a dual carriageway or side road or anything, you're just following the same road basically. Okay? Driving when you're ready. It's too much thing to observe. Yeah, true.